Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Telegram account without a phone number. First, you need to open up the Telegram app. Once you open up the app, select the country. Choosing the USA will be good. After selecting the country, you have to enter your USA phone number. To do that, open up the App Store and tap on the search bar. Then search for temporary virtual phone number. Now, tap to view its app and make sure you install the app from here. After installing the app, tap to open it up. Once you open the app, you can select your country of which you want to get a verification number. As you can see, we have already chosen the USA. So, what we are going to do is pick up the USA phone number from here. You can pick up the number from the following number options. Now, select the number you want and tap to copy the number from here. Then, get back to your Telegram app and paste the number here. After entering the number, click to continue the process. It will then ask you to click on Yes to confirm that the number you entered is correct. Once you click on Yes, you can see the OTP code will be sent to this number. Now, get back to your temporary number app and refresh the app. After that, click on the number we already chose. Tap on the Update Latest SMS button to see if you receive the OTP here. Now, as you can see, the Telegram OTP is here already. Then, get the OTP from here and type it back into your Telegram account. Just like this, you can create your Telegram account without a phone number. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.